Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So this makeup tutorial is based on like products that I don't use anymore, but I used to be obsessed with. And the only reason why I don't use them anymore is because like somehow they ended up in a drawer and like I forgot that they existed, but I still am super obsessed with them. I know you guys can relate, especially you real makeup junkies out there. The highlight is beaming. The brows are fierce. And these are with products that I adore and I'm dying to show them to you guys. So if you want to know how I got this look and what products I love, then just keep on watching. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos and give them a thumbs up if you think they're okay. All right, without any further ado, let's do this.
Oh, girl, you got it, there you go. Ask my son, I said it's sad. I'm a star, shadow badge. What's the point? It's from God.
Into this beauty look, I'm going with the Benefit Professional Illuminating Primer. I love the finish of this primer and also diminishes my pores. Then I'm going to drink some of my apple cider vinegar tea. Then I'm going to have my Urban Decay All Nighter mixed with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I'm going to pounce that in using my Morphe N429 brush. This gives it the perfect finish. I didn't add a lot. I just want enough to cover, and both foundations mixed together will give me a gorgeous finish while covering all my blemishes. Now I'm going in with this e.l.f. powder. It's got those little colored beads that give you such a non-powdered finish but keeps your makeup on all day. I love it. It makes the light focus perfectly. Now I'm going in with my Salon Perfect Brow Microblading Pen. I forgot how much I love obsessed with this pen. The brows will stay on all through the night, all through the day, through water, heat, humidity. You'll even have them when you wake up in the morning. I love this pen. Then we're gonna go in with our NYX dark circle corrector. I don't use it for dark circles, but I love it for cleaning up my eyebrows. So I'm going to do that with my Real Techniques detail brush right there. Then I'm just going to make sure that it looks flawless. This makeup tutorial is about makeup products that I have not used in a while, but that I am obsessed with, that I absolutely love with a capital L. Now I'm going with this NYX. It's like a lippy and a blush in one, and I'm using that kind of to warm up my face like a contour. It's going to give me a beautiful sun-kissed look. I'm going to tap that in using this contour brush. Then I forgot about my Hikari. This is a bronzer and blush and a glow all in one, and I love putting it on top of my contour. It just makes me look flawless. Now I'm going in with the OG of contours, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Then I'm going to top that off so I have some shimmer with this LA Girl bronzer that I got at the dollar store. Oh my gosh, you would think all these powders topped off would give me like a powdery look, but it doesn't. It looks like beautiful. Now I'm going in with this little Maybelline brow pencil to contour my nose. I like it because that is very precise point to it, and it makes me have a flawless snatched nose. Then I'm going in with an oldie but goodie, my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I love this concealer. It doesn't crease. Well, you have to set it, but it definitely doesn't crease. It makes me look brightened, and I'm going under my contour line to really give that chiseled look. I know I've done that before, but I just love that step. Then I'm just tapping it in with the buffing brush just so that my contour is all blended in. Just there we go. Then when you do the bottom contour line, you're going to go down, never go up, because then it's going to mesh with your contour. Okay, and then I'm going to take, this is a nice tip, I'm going to take my Morphe foundation brush that I used before just to really blend in those lines. You see what I'm doing there? Now I'm going to use my RCMA powder. I haven't used this in forever, but I love the way it bakes. Like if I bake with another powder, it makes me look crepey. This doesn't make me look crepey no matter how much powder I add. I absolutely adore it. Then I'm going to chisel under my contour and set that concealer that we left down there. This is great. Now I'm going in with Urban Decay, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I love it. Then this old school Too Faced palette that I paid like $14 for in like TJ Maxx. I forgot how much I love it. I'm using for my transition shade and my two transition shades. Oh my gosh, can I talk today? And I'm just gonna buff that in using my Morphe brushes. That's another thing. I haven't been using my Morphe eyeshadow brushes lately, and I really forgot how much I love them. I wanted to like try other brushes, but now I just know that I love using these brushes for my eyes. So now I'm going in my buffing brush and buffing that out. Now I'm going to take this crease brush and I am going into the Galaxy palette by BH Cosmetics. Talk about taking it back. I'm going to put the names of the shades below because I can't remember what shades I use, but I have them written down. So I'll be sure to put that in the description box. But I'm going in with, I think it's Pluto, but I'm not sure, into the crease. Then I'm going to spray my brush, my Morphe lid brush, and I'm going to go into that peachy color, and it's going to make my lid look really good. To really make it pop, these shadows work so good with your fingers. So don't be afraid. Jump in and go in with your fingers. This palette was like $6 and it's so good. Then I'm going to take my small E36 Morphe pencil brush and just make sure everything's buffed in. Then I'm going to go in with this NYX Vivid Brights. I have not used this gunmetal color in a decade, and I'm going to do a little bit of a wing. Sorry if I have to look at the mirror. I just can't do it looking at the camera. So I had to use a mirror, but I love this eyeliner and it stays on all day. It's like a gunmetal silver color. Then I'm going to go in and take off all that bake. I don't want it to sit too long, you know? So I'm just going to dust that off. Then I'm going to spray, you know, because I don't want a powder look. You get the deal. Then I'm going to go back into that dark color right there and go on my lower lash line. Don't forget, guys, I will put the shade names in the description box. Do not worry. And then I'm going to put a silver color on top of that color to really make my eyes pop. See, I'm doing it right here. Here we go with the same Morphe E36 pencil brush. Then I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Selfie palette. This just makes your pictures look amazing. So when you flash a picture, this powder, it just really makes the pictures look great. So that's why I'm using it. I'm even going on top of my contour with that bronzy shade. Then I'm going in with this glow pen. Well, it's like a glow lipstick. I'm going to leave the name down below. I got it in a Nipsey bag a long time ago, and I forgot that I do love it. And I love it especially to put on before I add powder highlight. Get ready for this because I'm going to buff it in with my Real Technique sponge, but then I'm going to use one of my OG highlighters. But just wait a second, because first I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this light aqua color that really blings. I love this color in the Galaxy palette from BH Cosmetics. Okay, so then I'm going to put it in my inner corner as well. I love this. I am living for this eye look. I just love it. It's so easy. Now, here it comes. Moonstone by Becca. Do any of y'all remember that highlighter? I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I love this because this is a different kind of highlighter. It's such a soft gold and it gives you that wet look. And you know, I can't say that about a million highlighters lately. This one, I forgot how much I loved it. I almost hit pan on it. It was a mini. I think it was $20 for it's called Moonstone. Yeah. No, it's not. It's called Opal by Becca. My bad. So make sure you get your hands on that. They're selling it in Sephora as a little travel size and it's only $20 and it comes with the liquid as well. Now I'm going in with my Bad Girl Bang mascara, and then I'm going to go in with my Lolita pencil, Everlasting Lip Pencil by Kat Von D. I have not used this pencil in a bazillion years. Then I'm going to go in with the Lolita Liquid Lippy. I love this terracotta color. It is so beautiful. It is so good with any eye look. I think it's going to tie this look together so well. All right, then I'm going to take my Real Techniques powder brush and blend everything in so that it looks so seamless. It won't wipe off any of the product. It's just going to make it look so flawless. Then I'm going to spray one last time with the Mario Badescu Water Rose Spray. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I love you so much. Peace.